Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Lenovo 10e Chromebook, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So we've got two different ways of entering the keyboard options. However, let me show you the quickest option. So simply open the keyboard and then tap on this globe icon. Now let's tap on Inputs and Keyboard Settings, and we will be immediately transferred to this section in the settings. Right now all we have to do is to tap on Add Input Methods, because as you can see we've got the English applied. So let's tap. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So of course this list is pretty long, so you will be able to find the language you want to use. If you want to, you can enter the name of it, and after finding, just mark it and tap on Add. And as you can see right here, we've got the Arabic language added. So of course, if you want to change the keyboard layout completely, just remove those, in my case, English languages, and you will have only Arabic. If not, you can always leave, for example, English, and you will have different languages. So basically, currently we've got the English keyboard, and let me try to check it. Change it. I was wondering whether I can, but unfortunately I cannot change it by swiping. So if you want to change the keyboard layout, you have to tap on this globe icon and then tap on Arabic, and as you can see, it will immediately appear. And of course, as I said, if you will leave only new language without the previous one applied, you will have only one option to choose. If not, you will have more. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.